Recently, someone commented on my video saying people can learn better with Claude. It's kind of why should I learn your live class? I can learn it with the Claude, right? So this is I feel like this is what he meant, and honestly, I understand why people feel this way. AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, they are super powerful. You can ask anything, you get the code instantly, and you get the explanation. Naturally, it feels like you can learn anything from from AI tools. But the problem I have seen with a lot of students is that they can generate the code, but when it comes to building something on their own, they suddenly feel like, where should I start? Where to start? So because if you start from somewhere, definitely you will end up finishing it somehow, because you already have AI tools and all that. You can simply generate the code and you can make the project run. But the problem is where to start. Why? Because AI gives you answers, but it doesn't build your thinking. Instead, it eliminates the need of thinking. You know what? Thinking is the main reason why software developers are made. Now, these AIs are replacing your thinking capacity. I'm telling you this because in the real software development for real clients, the requirements are way more complex than simple CRUD operations. So that's why I always say use AI as a tool, but don't use AI as the replacement of your thinking. AI can definitely help you learn things, but it cannot replace the real learning. It cannot practice on behalf of you. You have to practice, you have to learn, because when you go to the interview, they conduct technical round, they also conduct the machine round, but you do not have access to any AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. You have to think, you have to write the answer, you have to pass the interview. Nobody is there for your help there. Okay. So that's also one of the reasons why I am conducting this 4-week live backend developer program. I'm not just showing you the code there. I'm actually teaching you how to think, how to, brainstorm on a particular, problem statement, and how to build the architecture, all of those things, right? And for the assignments, you are not allowed to use ChatGPT or Claude because, you will be given a real world scenario, and you have to think on yourself and write the answer. And you cannot use ChatGPT or Claude. You will be forced to think on a particular thing. So that will actually build your thinking capacity or the logic building capacity, right? So that's the only way to become job ready. So the live classes are starting on 9th of this May 2026. If you're interested to learn with me, you can join this program and I will teach you live. You can ask me anything, any questions live. If you face any issues, just ask me in the live session. So much more to do in the live program. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can check more details about the live program, and if you're interested, you can join me in the live program. All right, so I'll see you live.